Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, we will fix screen tearing in Arc Raiders and make your gameplay smoother. To fix it, first go into your graphics settings and turn on VSync to sync your frames with your monitor. This can remove tearing but may slightly increase input delay in some cases. Next, switch your display mode to borderless full screen because it is more stable than full screen or windowed mode. This often helps reduce stuttering and screen tearing while keeping quick tab switching. Finally, if your monitor supports it, enable G-Sync or FreeSync in your GPU control panel. This feature matches your monitor refresh rate dynamically with your frame rate and eliminates tearing without noticeable lag. If you do not see these options, make sure your drivers are updated from Nvidia or AMD software. You can also lower your in-game frame limit to match your monitor refresh rate for better stability. Avoid mixing multiple sync settings at the same time because it can cause stutters or inconsistent performance. After applying these changes, restart your game and test if the tearing is gone during gameplay. If the issue still appears, try combining VSync with borderless full screen and G-Sync or FreeSync together. These settings work together to balance smooth visuals and low input lag for most modern systems. Remember that every system is different, so you may need to test small adjustments to find the best result. Thanks for watching.